I'm Christina Irvine. Today we're going to talk about decluttering and how that impacts the sale of your home. Now remember, you've lived in your home for a while, you're ready for something new. Odds are you have outgrown your home, and we need a buyer to walk into your home and feel like there's plenty of space for them to grow into. The first thing and most important thing you can do to make your home look nice and spacious and open is to go through and pack anything that you don't currently use on a regular basis. Overflowing cabinets, overflowing closets, disorganized pantries. Purchase things to organize that you're going to use in your new home anyway to make your spaces look neat, tidy, and organized. Clean and organized space leaves their brains clean and organized for making a decision and increases the demand on your home yet again, making sure that you net top dollar on that sale. Check out our decluttering digital download checklist to make sure that you know what areas to pay the most attention to make the biggest impact on your bottom line. And of course, make sure to check out our next video on depersonalizing your home.